Hello, first graders. Let's go ahead and keep growing our brain. Let's practice our glue sounds because great scholars learn the glue sounds. Let's go ahead and do our glue sounds. Get ready, go. Glue sounds stick together. Glue sounds stick together. Glue sounds stick together. What? Glue sounds stick together. Glue sounds stick together. Glue sounds stick together. What? A-L-L, all. A-L-L, A-M, am. A-M, A-N, an. A-N, A-N-G, ang. A-N-G, I-N-G, ing. I-N-G, O-N-G, ong. O-N-G, U-N-G, ung. U-N-G, ung. A-N-K, ang. A-N-K, I-N-K, ing. I-N-K, O-N-K, ong. O-N-K, U-N-K, ung. U-N-K. Great job, scholars. Let's go ahead and review our digraphs. Are we ready? Digraphs. Two letters come together to make one sound. W-H, whistle, w. W-H, whistle. C-H-N, ch. C-H-N. S-H, ship, sh. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, thumb. T-H, thumb. C-K, suck. C-K, suck. Great job. Wow. Remember, always go ahead and practice your glue sounds and digraphs before reading. When you see a digraph, make sure you underline it. When you see a glue sound, make sure you box it. Capiche? All right, great scholars. Lock this in your brain in 3, 2, 1. Lock it in your brain, 3, 2, 1. See you later, scholars.